Hi, this is Bob at Abbeon. Today we are going to do a weld. We've got two UHMW bars that we're going to butt weld, fusion weld together. We're going to be using our, well actually we're going to do it two ways. First we're going to use our EasyWeld 110 butt fusion machine. You can see the bars are clamped in there. What we'll do is we'll bring them together with the heat plate, the hot welding plate, heat them up, and then we're going to remove the plate and we'll bring them together and put pressure on the two so that they bond together. Then we're going to do a second one with just the heat plate by itself in our hands, and then we can test the two welds. So let's do the first one. So our heat plate has been heating up and it is hot. So I'm going to put it between the bars and bring them together. And let them heat up. Okay, now we're going to bring it together and we're going to put pressure on it. There are actual DVS standards for how much pressure we're supposed to put on, which is measured right here. It's in the manual. That'll tell you how much pressure to apply to each side, or to the part. Okay.
You don't want to unroll it. There you go.
So now it's cooled. Not completely, but most of the way. So we're going to unclamp it. And our part is welded together. So we'll let the customer test the bond on it. Okay.
Okay, we're going to do this handheld.
You should put on some gloves.
Kind of hard to get it perfectly straight. You'll probably have to do it like that, but I don't like that weld.